In this video, you'll learn about some of the thoughts behind this particular sample monitor arrangement and the BroadcastPix window layout. Moving from the top to bottom, the first display panel features large preview and program windows. These are arranged left to right because of the natural succession a TD will use when readying a shot and then transitioning it to air during the course of a show. Next to them are the mixed effects preview and program windows. Content from there feeds one of our on-set monitors, so that provides the director and TD with a live view of what's feeding that particular display out on the set. Below those are timers, which have been configured to show the remaining time from the various media players. Below all of that are the live studio camera sources, followed by windows for each of the 6 keyers. The next display panel features all of the remaining media player sources. These consist of the clip players, animation, CG, and still store channels. There are a few additional windows that are used to monitor external sources and other inputs as well. To the right is the status bar at the top, followed by a visual representation of the keyer priority. Next to that is an area where clear key can be called up and further refined. Anytime it is turned on, a light in the left of the camera source window will turn on in the shade of the primary color being keyed. The macro editor is situated below the clear key window. It's helpful to have both of these areas always visible and readily available to allow for quick modifications or changes whenever necessary, as long as you have the screen real estate to do so. 2 Pix pads and a timer round out the remaining windows on display panel 2. The Pix pad allows for a quick check of the content whenever a user is preparing a show with the show editor. It additionally provides an extended resource where a crew member could assist the TD by advancing the still store or other such content. That red timer is set to count up so that the CG operator knows when to take lower thirds on and off during packages. Taking the CGs on and off the air are controlled by a macro located on a remote panel in front of the CG operator's workstation. Countdown timers are additionally located beneath as a reference. The character generator operator's display is set up to control the graphics, whether they are from NewBlue, Inscriber, or in this case, 2 instances of Fluent Rapid CG. The fourth and final display panel provides reference windows for the program's audio engineer. Each studio camera and video source that could potentially have accompanying sound are contained on this display, along with the 2 clip timers and a reference clock.